How to add friends on Nintendo Switch Minecraft. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your account Nintendo Switch Minecraft. Make sure you are logged into your specific account. It will land you on this interface. Once you're in here, move into your profile at the top left corner. And then head over to Add Friend. 3 different options will be visible to you. One is search for local users, the other is search for users you played with, and the other is search with friend code. With the help of these options, you can search for your friend and then send a request. Once they accept your request, you two will be friends. Now the other way is to go back and head over to your profile once again. Move into Add Friend. The option of friend requests will be visible to you. Head over to it. It will show you all the list of the players that has sent you the friend request. In order to add, all you want to do is click on Accept Request and you'll be good to go. Now you will be able to play with your friends. So that's it, and this is simply how you can add friends on Nintendo Switch Minecraft. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for staying with us till the end.